Hello, YouTube. I am Eli the Fatigued. We're back with more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. We've got these two small warehouses to check out now. I didn't see that second one. We're gonna check out those warehouses. What's this? Oh, abandoned drive-through. That's from the mod that I removed. It gets replaced with abandoned drive-throughs when you remove a mod, and it's spawned a building. Excuse me. All right. All right. So we'll head over to those warehouses, see if we can get on a roof or something. If we spot anything else useful or fun, go there. If not, we'll head back to the east and go to that helipad that I've been wanting to go to, and then we'll find silos or something to climb up. So yeah, let's just go around town. Okay, it's a riot control platform, but that could have been a lot worse. That could have been a lot worse. Riot control platforms are not that bad as long as you don't get close to them. Yeah. Anything good? No, nothing useful. Alright. Road mayhem. Roadblock military. Yeah. There was some slight panic there because if those were actual turrets, I probably would have been shot to death. Oh, tiny little bush is getting in the way of my Humvee. Stegosaurus. It shouldn't bother me as long as I don't... Hey, look at that, another Humvee. Question. Oop. I'm using the wrong buttons. There we go. Is it a working Humvee? It's got everything but diesel. That's a faulty engine. I'd have to mend the immobilizer, which is super easy at my skills. I could get this thing running and get its parts for my super ultra mega vehicle later. And I do have that folded bike. Should be in here. Maybe I accidentally put it away. Oh, no, there it is. Alright, it's bicycle, not bike. Yeah, I can take this around and grab vehicles, then... Oopsie. And then literally just hold, grab, toss it inside the vehicle. So we'll keep that in mind moving forward. Are you guys just gonna leave me alone? I'm fine with that. I appreciate it. Now what's in here? Holy crap. What isn't in here by the looks of it? Literally, what isn't in here? Wow. that a book I haven't read? That is a book I haven't read. About liver. Delicious, delicious, wonderful, tasty liver. Ooh, sushi. I personally prefer fried sushi. Maybe sacrilege to certain people. But man, fried sushi is bomb. How's everyone in chat doing? Y'all having a good prep for the weekend? Alright, so that's kind of going into. We at least know where another military vehicle is to get heavy frames. If you're having a rough day, I'm sorry to hear that, MX Bazooka. Yeah, I've been kind of having a rough week myself, which is part of the reason I haven't streamed as much as I have been. So, I'm sorry to hear that, but I understand having a rough time. Life is crazy right now. Is it more toward personal stuff or just like dealing with pandemic? If I can be allowed to ask that, at least. I was about to say, oh, there's another Humvee here, but it's like, no, that's my Humvee. Well, no matter what you guys are dealing with, I hope you're enjoying my stream. Just kind of have a chill, fun stream and relaxing. Antiseptic. Antiseptic's always good. Were there this many rates in the other one? I don't remember. And just know, you know, life is hard, but as hard as it is, there's always good times ahead. That's what we gotta hope for. That's what I always hope for. You know, with me getting married soon, it's been super stressful, you know, trying to plan stuff out, but it's like, it'll all be worth it in the end. Like, once we get through all the stressful stuff, once I, you know, figure out stuff about jobs and... Oh, okay. Sorry, you were typing that whole time, my bad. Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good. I once tried to shave my armpits, speaking of, you know, body hair. That was a bad idea on my part. Stuff burns if you don't do it right. At least that's what happened to me. Yeah, no, yeah. I didn't use Nair, but it was like itchy and yeah. Sorry to hear that. The heck is this down here? Silos and smokehouse and dairy farm? This is new. Oof. So sorry to hear that, MX Bazooka. Do you think it's like an allergic reaction, or... I mean, personally, if it doesn't stop burning soon, I would go see a doctor. If you can. I don't know much about it, to be fair, but... yeah. That's a boulder that I almost ran into. Alright, what do we got down here? No allergies, fair enough. I'm a... Hello? What's that you got there? A shotgun? A Marlin 39A. I think that's a type of assault rifle. Looks like he's at least friendly-ish. Okay, so he runs this dairy farm. Interesting. Okay, so it's just because of the razor burn. Gotcha. Fair enough. Interesting. If I grabbed stuff and it's counted as stolen here. I know this is way overkill, but You figured why not? Yeah. Well, now you know why not, at least. That's something you have learned. Okay. This is way overkill, but... Ed. Luke. Okay, so Luke is here too. What does he have? Remington 30-06. I don't think that'll beat my 50 caliber. Oh. Is he still alive somehow? He's somewhat... I hit him for 156 damage. He dropped his actually good rifle in for a survival bow. That's smart. Raising hit. Oh, I think I killed him. Yep, there we go. Now he's dead. Oh, all their stuff is mine now. I don't even know if it was worth it, but NPCs suck in this game. Anyway, to be fair. Oh yeah, this is just a 22. And he didn't have anything really on him. I'll be honest, I am very ruthless to NPCs. To players, I am a lot more merciful, but NPCs don't matter. They don't exist. Alright, let's check out this dairy farm. Hey, thanks for the metal butchering rack. Anything else useful here? $0 cash card. Alright, alright. Pretty sure he only mentioned Luke. No one else that could be around. It'd be nice if there was at least some milk in some of these things. I don't have to milk the cows myself. Anyway, well, let's climb up and get a better view of the area. Alright, what do we got? A hub. Don't know what mod that's from. Dairy farm. Goblin encampment. Another farm, a hotel, and a fungal. Yeah, fungal. Hunting blind, forest. Still don't remember what the brown forest means. Field campsite. What's this? No, it's a campground. Okay. A mound of dirt. Cabin. Nothing really. Gray forest. Interesting. Really? A bulk tank with no tanks? That seems odd. You'd think you should get some tanks from those. Smokehouse with nothing in it. I should get my jackhammer, see if there's anything inside those. There's nothing in the building to the south. Probably reload the Barrett. Then drop it off. Drop off whatever else is weighing me down. There, what do we got in here? Just a crap ton of corn, eh? Okay then. We're just getting all the corn then. I don't know why they got rid of the wheat that was in here when corn is just as good. Make cornmeal out of it, make tortillas and quesadillas. Especially when there's a dairy farm right here. You can make homemade cheese. Oh, I'm just making myself hungry now. $641 corn. That's enough to feed an army. And I guess to be fair, I am a one-man army. Okay, YouTube, I need to end the episode here. Thank you for joining us. I've been Eli the Fatigued. You have been YouTube and Twitch, and you have all been awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you've enjoyed any dimension of this episode. It really does help the channel, and I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.